Aray, yung kuton. Maliit na kuton. Kinagat ako. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hello. I'm back. Ito. Na na na. Ay, malangkwan. Yan. We are under the tree. Wait lang. We are in the nature. Wait. Yan. Dadan. Wait. Baka mahulog yung cellphone natin. There you go. Ayan si Mr. Tree. And then bato dun sa taas. How are you again? I'm with this little flower. The weather is not good again. Last night it's too windy and I can't sleep because it's sounds so creepy. Okay. Oh, can you see my nails? Yes. Okay. Okay, the sky are black. Na 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 na. Ow. Ayun, konti lang yung fan natin today. Boats. Kasi yung maliliit, nakapark. Ayun, may 1, 2, 3 tourist boat ang mga yan. Dan. O, diba? Wala pang taong dumadaan. Okay. Ayun, and then, wala pang tao dun sa baba. Let's walk again. 3 minutes lang natin, oh. Do you hear the birds are singing? Okay, may helicopter. Hello, helicopter. There. Ayun, asan na? Hindi ko makita dito. Basta, yun na. Andun. Ayan. See you in the city. Ito i-upload ko sa Monday or Tuesday. Mayroon pala doon. May mga birds pala doon, oy. Nakatago. Doon. And hey, yes. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Okay, i-continue muna natin. Walking down. Yun, may 3 girls.
Oh my god, that's such a cute dog.
But Ian, Sienna went to a Mexican place in Florence.
Okay. English spoken.
Is this your dog? Can I pet?
Yeah.
Hello, you little baby.
Bye. Para 4 minutes. Let's go. Ayun. Para maiba, bato na lang ang kunin natin para maging bato ang mga Inglaterra. Charot. Ay, nako. Mapapa. Na. O yun, diba? Maganda ang simoy ng hangin. We are in the nature. Okay, my boyfriend. There you go. Junie! Diba? Tumingin siya. May. Ginoy! Diba? Ooh, the weather is so... Yan. Yan, tambay lang natin dito. 5 minutes natin. Let's go. O, diba? La la la. This is for you? Isn't it? Right? Okay. Saan ka pupunta? Okay, thank you very much.